Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Dear student of first prep, we are going to make a revise for March exam. Okay, I said to you we will have a new revision. Okay, we will revise today lesson 1 chemical combination. Okay, we have this is the second revision for us. Okay, I said to you I will give you more than questions for this revision for March exam. I said to you we will have a question for Egyptian Knowledge Bank. I collected to you different questions from Egyptian Knowledge Bank and belong to Nagwa platform. Let's start with different questions and we are going to solve this these questions with us. Okay, let's start. Okay, question number 1 says that what is the correct pairing of terms and descriptions shown in the boxes below? Okay, we have choice question but in new shape. Okay, we have here column A and column B. We have definition for atom, positive ion and negative ion. Okay, the first one here. We have a charged particle that has a greater number of electrons than protons. So we have a number of negative electrons greater than protons, so we are negative ion. Okay, 1 belongs to B. The second one here, electrical neutral particle with an equal number of electrons and protons when the positive protons equal the number of negative electrons, so we are going to talk about what? Atom. The last one here, we have a charged particle that has a smaller number of electrons than protons, so we are belong to what? Belong to positive ion. So if we make a match, we have 1 belongs to B, 2 belongs to C, and 3 belongs to A. So we will choose number A in our choices here. In A, B, C, and D, we will choose number A. This is the first question of Nagwa platform. Okay, we are going to complete another question. Okay, let's going to question number 2. Okay, question number 2 says that we have a table. Which of the following ions has a different number of electrons from the others? Okay, the table below gives the atomic number for 5 elements. We have carbon atomic number 6, nitrogen 7, oxygen 8, fluorine 9, and sodium 11. Okay, what will be happen when we are talking about what different number of electrons from others? Okay, if we are talking about what what nitrogen here, we have an atomic number 7, so we have 2 and 5, so the atomic number here will be right, -3. Fluorine also we have 2 and 7 at the outer, so it will gain 1 electron, so the carry -1. Okay, carbon here 2 and 4, 2 and 4, so we need 4, not the charge will be plus, so the charge will be negative as it gain electrons or make a sharing with electrons to form a covalent bond surrounding by 4 covalent bond carbon. So the right answer here, which of the following ions has different number of electrons from the others? So we have the right answer will be carbon. Okay, oxygen here we have negative and -2 as it gained 2 electrons, 2 and 6 in the outer. The last one here, sodium positive ion, as it lose 1 electron and change into positive ion. So the wrong one about the ions have different number of electron from others. So different electrons here, we have 4 in the outer, the charge will be C, -4, not +4. Okay, let's going to question number 3. Okay, question number 3 says that fill in the blank. A positive ion is an atom that has. Okay, what about positive ion? Positive ion, it is an atom of metal or metallic atom. What happened to this atom? It lose 1 or 2 or 3 electron and it change into positive ion. So what happened after that? The number of positive protons greater than the number of negative electrons surrounding the atom. Okay, so here we have 5 choices. The first one, lost a proton from its nucleus. No, we can't lose any protons or neutrons from the nucleus. So the losing will be from the electrons surrounding the nucleus. Number B, gained a proton from its nucleus. So we said we are not talking about protons at all. The number C, lost 1 or more electrons. Okay, yes or no? Gained 1 or more electrons. Do you think that number E an equal number of electrons and protons? Okay, when we are talking about ions, so we haven't equal number of electrons and protons. So we are going to talk about what? About C and D. We are gaining or losing when the positive ion, so we are losing as the number of electrons less than the number of positive protons inside the nucleus. So here we have positive ion atom lose 1 or more electrons. So the right answer will be number C. Okay, I think it's easy question. Let's go into question number 4. Okay, question number 4 says that atoms are likely to lose or gain electrons to obtain a full outer electron shell, forming ions in the process. Okay, when we are losing or gaining, we want to be or we will form ion, or we are calling it positive ion or negative ion. What is the maximum number of electrons that can occupy the L energy level? Okay, when we are talking about the energy levels or the main energy levels, we have quantum of energy in each energy level. We said we have the least energy will be in K as we going to Q, K, L, M, N, O, B, Q. We have the least energy in K, and it is saturated with 2 electrons according to the rule 2n power 2. We are going to L. L, it's the second energy level, so it obey also the rule 2n power 2. Okay, we have the first K, L, second M, third, and N, fourth. K, L, M, N, it obey the rule 2n power 2. So we have in first energy level we have 2 electrons K, L saturated with 8 electrons, M saturated with 18 electrons, and N saturated with 32 electrons according to the rule. And after 4 energy level or after M, we didn't obey the rule as the atom will be not stable. So we are going to talk about L level. It's saturated with what? With 8 electrons. It's saturated with 8 electrons. Okay, I think it's easy question. Let's go into question number 5. Okay, question number 5 says that an atom of lithium can lose 1 electron to form 1 lithium ion. What is the correct symbol notation for this ion? It means that, what is the meaning of correct symbol notation? Means that carrying what? Positive or negative charge, or what is the drawing illustrate that you are a positive ion after losing 1 electron. We have here 1. I said we will write the symbol of it, Li. and beside it we will write, beside it at the left, we will write the plus. It means that we lose one electron without writing one or writing one. Any of them, not the problem. We have plus one means that we at the top, beside the left of the left of the symbol, we have here the right answer will be not A or C, not A or C. So the right answer will be letter B. We have Li, and beside, at above left beside the symbol, we will write or draw plus symbol, indicates that we lose one electron only. Okay, we are going to question number 6. Okay, what we will have in question number 6, an ion has the symbol notation, or we can illustrate it by Be, beryllium, plus 2. Okay, how many electrons have been lost or gained to form this ion? Okay, when we are going to write plus, so we make a losing for electrons, as the number of protons greater than the number of electrons. So we will write what? Plus. Okay, we will lose 2 electrons. Okay, so plus 2 means that we have the right answer, number A. We lost 2 electrons from the outermost energy level to form this ion. I think it's easy question, and you have to study, or that we need to please read the question carefully before answering. Okay, we are going to question number 7. Okay, the question says that the compound magnesium bromide MgBr2, okay, contains 1 magnesium ion and 2 bromide ions. The compound is electrical neutral here. Okay, if the magnesium forms a positive 2 ion, okay, what is the charge on a single bromide ion? Okay, I said when we write the chemical formula, we make exchange of valences. Okay, what happened here? Magnesium exchanges the valency with bromine, so bromine beside it at the below we will write 2, and bromide here as an ion that gain 1 electron. H2 bromine, we have 2 bromine atom that each one loses or gain, as it is a nonmetal. Each bromine atom gain 1 electron, so we have 2 bromine atoms, each one gain 1 electron. So when we make exchange for valences, so bromine carried -1, okay, as it will write below the magnesium. So we didn't write 1 here, as the charge here will be what? Will be -1. The charge of bromine here as an ion, we will said it is magnesium bromide, so the right answer will be -1. The charge of bromine here will be what? Will be -1. Okay, we are going to question number 8. What is the question of number 8? The electronic configuration for an atom of neon is shown below. Why do atoms of neon not usually form ions? Okay, what about neon? Neon is an inert gas or inactive element or noble gas. What we say about noble gas? We said that they are inactive or behave like a stable atom that not lose or gain or not even share in chemical reaction. So it is stable. So neon atom have a full, as neon atom has full outer energy level, filled with electrons. Okay, what we have here, we have level L. I said in the previous question that we have level L according to the rule, saturated with 8 electrons. So here we have full energy level, so we will not lose or gain or making any ions, so the charge here equals 0 as not enter any chemical reaction. So the atom of iron already have a full outer shell. The right answer will be number D. The right answer, letter D, is the right answer. Okay, we are going to question number 9. Says that the electronic configuration for an atom and its ion as are shown below. Is this atom a metal or a non-metal? What happened to it? Okay, we have here atom and its outermost energy level contain only 3 electrons. So we lose these electrons and change into positive ions. This means that when we lose, we are going to be what? A metal. Okay, when we lose electrons, we are going to be a metal. So the right answer will be letter A, metal. Okay, we are going to last question of the group of questions of today. The last question, question number 10 of this group, we have the energy level diagram below shows the electronic configuration for an atom. Okay, how many electrons does the atom need to lose in order to gain a full outer shell? Okay, what we have 2 in K level and 2 in L level, so we didn't need the electrons in L level, so it take a large area and only 2 electrons. Okay, I didn't need them, so we will lose the electrons from L level, and we have here the first energy level K filled with 2 electrons. So we lose here from L, we lose 2 electrons, and only we have energy level 1 filled completely with 2 electrons. So we lose here 2 electrons. It's a right answer for this question. Okay, so this is the last group of our questions today. We are going to solve also a group of questions for the March exam. Please study hard and I'm waiting for your questions. Okay, goodbye and good luck.